Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious biryani from scratch. Biryani is a popular Indian and Pakistani dish that is made with aromatic spices, flavorful rice, and tender meat or vegetables. It's a one-pot meal that is perfect for family gatherings or special occasions. So, let's get started. Ingredients: Basmati rice, 2 cups chicken or beef, boneless, 500 grams yogurt, 1 cup onions, 2 medium-sized, thinly sliced, tomatoes, 2 medium-sized, chopped, garlic, 4 cloves, minced, ginger, 1-inch piece, minced, green chilies, 4, sliced, Biryani Masala, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, to taste oil, 4 tablespoons ghee, 2 tablespoons fresh mint leaves, 1 cup, chopped, fresh coriander leaves, 1 cup, chopped, saffron strands, 1/4 teaspoon, soaked in 1/4 cup of milk. Instructions: soak the basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Drain the water and set it aside. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the thinly sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Remove half of the onions and set them aside for garnish. In the same pot, add the minced garlic and ginger and sauté for a few seconds. Then, add the chopped tomatoes, biryani masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix everything well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add the chicken or beef to the pot and mix it well with the spices. Then, add the yogurt and green chilies. Mix everything well and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the meat is tender. In a separate pot, boil 8 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the soaked rice and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until it's 70% done. Drain the water and set the rice aside. In the same pot, add a layer of rice, followed by a layer of the meat and then a layer of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Repeat this process until all the rice and meat are used up. Top it with the fried onions that were set aside earlier. Pour the saffron milk over the rice and meat. Cover the pot with a lid and let it cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and the aroma of the biryani fills your kitchen. Your delicious biryani is ready to be served. Garnish it with some more fried onions, chopped mint and coriander leaves, and serve it with raita or salad. Outro: that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make biryani at home. Remember to adjust the spices and ingredients.